How to Build an Upside Down Fire by Charles Moyes. First, start off by taking several medium-sized logs to make the base for your fire. Next, take some more medium-sized and spread them out to the edges. That way you have a containment for your smaller stuff. Now add some medium-sized twigs and branches to form a base for your bird's nest. Add a little bit of light duty stuff, some smaller twigs. And now you would add your bird's nest material. Bird's nest is very fine material that catches fire very easily. Next, add a few twigs on the top or on the edges to help hold everything in place. Next, take a ferro rod and a striker and strike a fire. This can take some practice getting used to. And I step in to give him a hand with it. It is cold outside and his hands were getting cold, so I offered to help. And Charles says, "Eureka! Fire!" And there, folks, you have it. A simple way to build a fire that will last for a few hours without having to worry about wet ground. We hope you enjoyed our little video today. Remember to always be safe when you're making fires. Always make sure you put out your embers and leave no trace behind.